spray.
And on my first day, that's when it happened. I got my first project lawn on my first day of filming. Pretty exciting. Let's go. Now, before we get started, one thing I want to say is that my shock and awe about my neighbors paying $500 for the year didn't come from the fact that somebody was using an outside company. I'm perfectly fine with that. I do all my stuff DIY, and a lot of people that follow these types of things, that's what they do as well. Having a company come in and do that, if you're not comfortable, is completely okay. But the issue that I took was, if you're paying $500, you should see $500 worth of results in your yard. And that was not the case here. This yard was riddled with weeds, had dead patches everywhere, and it just simply was not up to what I would expect if I was paying $500 to be getting. My first assessment was that my neighbor had a massive debris problem. So much so that it was choking out all the potential growth coming from the soil temperatures reaching 55 and initiating everything to start growing, greening up, and looking better. So first thing first, I had just done my comparison on the Greenworks Dethatcher and the Sunjoe Dethatcher. The Sunjoe was hands down better than the Greenworks, no offense Greenworks, but the Sunjoe had brought out more debris than I ever expected. So I took it over to the neighbors. We are going to start off by doing a light dethatching with the tines to see what that brings up. Most likely we'll end up having to go to the Scarifier, and which we'll most likely do anyway because we definitely need to overseed here. So we're going to do that, see the results, and then on the next video we'll show the overseeding project and how that rolls. please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.